Hello squaddies, welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. I'm really excited today because I'm gonna show you exactly how I stay lean on vacation. I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite tips and tricks that you can use while you're holidaying, while you're traveling the world, and also share with you a full 10-minute bodyweight workout that you can do every single day that'll light up your metabolism, get you feeling energized, happy, and healthy, and make the most of wherever you are on the world. I've been traveling a ton lately, and the most important thing is to enjoy your holiday while feeling good. And what I'm gonna show you today is gonna do just that. So get excited, make sure you save this workout because you can do it anywhere in the world. And like always, subscribe to this channel and a big thumbs up because we're about to get extra lean. Alright squaddies, now it's time to show you the 10-minute bodyweight workout. This is incredible because it lights up your metabolism. You got to do this first thing in the morning so you can enjoy the rest of your day. We're going to get straight into it. It's 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, and you're just going to follow me, all bodyweight. And the idea is to lift that heart rate so your metabolism is on fire for up to 24 hours. So, first things first, get your timer ready. Get ready to follow along with me. 45 seconds of high knees. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. On the high knees, the idea is to stay nice and tall. That way we're engaging the core while we lift the heart rate. You also want to get your arms moving. And the best thing about this workout is it's working your entire body. You don't want to be going to a hotel gym, stuck inside, maybe doing a few reps of curls, a little bit of squats. That's not what it's about. You want to lift that heart rate, and that way we'll maintain the leanness, we'll maintain the strength throughout our entire body while we are traveling. 5 seconds, lift the knees up, 2, 1. Whew. Oh, that was 45 seconds. Next exercise is a push-up half burpee. So all it is down, up, no jump. 5 seconds, we're working the arms, core, keeping that heart rate high. 2, 1. Now if you can't do the push-up, go down on your knees, and that's what you want to do. This one is one of my favorite. You throw your feet far back. We're bringing the core to the party. "20 seconds. You can see this is the ultimate full body exercise. Keep pushing here. This is a short workout. Three, 2, 1. Whew. There we go. You can see the heart rate is elevated. Next up is a plank with toe taps on our elbows, squeezing our glutes. 5 seconds. 2, 1. And each time I lift that leg up, squeeze that glute. Now if you struggle with this, again, just plank on your knees. We've all got to start somewhere. Oh, and here we go. I love doing these workouts because you're outside, you're making the most of your holiday. 13 seconds. 10. 5. 2. 1. Whew. Okay. Next up is a great full body exercise again. We're gonna go cross body toe touches. So I want you to exaggerate the toe touch. Really reach across, wide stance. 2, 1. Sink at the hips here. And this works the obliques as well as the shoulders. And obviously the main portion of our core. So it's really a full body exercise. Just rocking back and forth. 30 seconds to go. And remember, if you're getting this done right now, You're maintaining your leanness on your holiday. You're putting in the work. You deserve to enjoy your holiday. And I promise you, you're gonna get so much more out of every single day you're away. There we go. Whew. All right, next up is butt kicks. So for a butt kick, I don't want you just flicking your legs back. Lift your knee up and heel towards the butt. That's a key. 2, 1. So you can see here, I'm lifting that knee up, heel towards my butt. Again, standing up nice and tall. Let's get that heart rate back up. And I always tell myself, the harder I push it for a short period of time, the better I'm gonna feel. Here we go. There's from the side. "20 seconds in." If you get this done in the morning too, you get a great dose of vitamin D, which again improves your overall health, your mood, and your bone density. So it's really important to get it outside in the sunshine. Woo! Wide stance mountain climbers. So our feet are gonna come outside of our hands here. Again, this is great for the core and the heart rate. Here we go. So you're just exchanging. I sink at the hips, drive those hands into the ground. This is gonna be a big burner. 45 seconds. Dig deep. Come on. We're over halfway. 20 seconds. Come on. Keep pushing. Think of the end goal. 8, 5, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Wow. Big deep breath. Try and stand up tall in your rest periods. We got 10 seconds. Elbows to hand plank now. All right. Another great arm toner. While that heart rate is up. 2, 1. Here we go. So I'm changing arms each time. Whew. Try and keep that core and that back nice and flat. If you feel like you're wobbling, widen up your stance. Or if you're really struggling, just on your knees, just like this. That is totally okay. Whatever is hard for you is lean for me. Here we go. And any of these exercises, if you struggle with, just comment below. I'll tell you an alternative. 2, 1. Oh, wow, that is a tough one. Next up, we're in the plank position again. You can see that heart rate, how hard it is for me to breathe. We've only got 3 minutes to go. 2, 1, plank position. Opposite hand to opposite knee. Flat back. Driving the arms into the ground. Knee across the body. Hand to the knee. Whew. It's getting hard to talk here, guys. Sun is shining. Body is burning. 20 to go. 15. 10. 2, 1. Whew. Next up, jumping jacks. You've all done a jumping jack before. Just feet out, hands up. Get excited. Let's keep that heart rate high. 3, 2, 1. Just nice high tempo. This is a big cardio blast. And if you're wondering how this can possibly keep you lean on holiday in just 10 minutes, it's because we're elevating our heart rate. We're lifting that heart rate, which means after the workout, our body works harder to recover, works harder to pull in more oxygen throughout the day, which in turn means we burn more calories. And that's why you get the afterburn effect. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Woo. All right, last one. Side plank reach through. We'll switch halfway, get excited, and then after this, I'm gonna share with you 2 other tips that will help maximize every trip you're on. Here we go. So you're reaching through, really exaggerate it. Again, this one you can do on your knee if you struggle with the full range. Here we go. Nearly halfway. 2, 1. Switch sides. Last 20 of the day. Hip up. 8 seconds. 2, 1. Woo. Oh, there we have it, squaddies. That was 10 minutes. That was a 10-minute bodyweight HIIT that you can do anywhere in the world. Now, this is gonna help you stay lean. But what I also do that transforms how I feel and makes staying lean easier than ever before is intermittent fasting. So when I'm away on holiday, instead of going to the breakfast buffet, I skip breakfast. I get this done on an empty stomach. That way my body's depleted of its glycogen stores. I'm in a fasted state and my body is literally gonna burn fat as its fuel source. Just like it did right there. I needed some energy. It taps into your fat stores, which means you are burning fat in the morning. That is how you wanna start every morning on vacation. Second thing is hydration. I know it sounds like you've been told this before, but I promise you, if you hydrate, you will feel so much better. More often than not, we're dehydrated when we're traveling. That's because the air travel, the heat, the sunlight, and that is very detrimental to our metabolism and our overall health. So if we hydrate lots, you're gonna flush out any toxins, any whoopsies, any alcohol. Those are gonna get flushed out of the system and your body's gonna be able to function optimally, which means the metabolism will be going all day long while you're traveling. So those are my 2 tips at the end there. If you do all 3 of these things, I guarantee you, you will not only stay lean while you're traveling, but you will be feeling so much better and you will enjoy your travel guilt-free. That's what I do. I never worry when I'm away because I know I've got my little routine I'm gonna get done and I'm gonna feel fantastic. So with that in mind, squaddies, if you haven't already, please save this video, subscribe, and like. I wanna hear from you guys. I wanna help you get leaner, healthier, and more confident. That is my goal. I wanna build the #1 channel. So if you can share this as well, that'd be greatly appreciated. And last but not least, if you wanna learn about the custom 90-day lean plan, which are tailored to you specifically, no one else. I make every plan for the individual, meal plan, workout plan, support system. Then please go to www.lean-squad.com or direct message me on Instagram and I'll personally respond. And now it's time I jump in the water, get a little cool down going, and I'll see you back here next episode.